1966 Chevy Impala, two-door convertible. Got a 350 crate motor in it. He took it to another exhaust shop earlier, about a month ago, I guess, or something. He had all these pipes put on it, but it was hitting everywhere and wasn't, just too many bends and crushed bends, and just wasn't done right. Okay, as you guys can see from all the piping. So he brought it back to us. He was watching our videos on YouTube and said, I'll bring it to the professionals. So it's here. So we ran it from the manifolds back on each side, 2 1/4, as you guys can see there and there. And it's 2 1/4 all the way back. It wasn't tucked up or anything. So there it is, 2 1/4 all the way back. And then what we put on it is 2 BORLA Pro XS's, because he had the flow FXs on it and he hated the sound of them. They droned really bad. So when you have an Impala, don't put flow FXs on it, it drones. So we put 2 BORLA Pro XS's there and there, part number 40358. And whenever you get them welded, make sure you weld some of them on the muffler themselves. That's what BORLA recommends, because they're crimped on and they loosen up at the necks. That's what BORLA says. All right. Then what we did, 2 tailpipes. The old tailpipe was hitting on this side and this side. So we fixed it up for him, cleaned it up. So we did 2 1/4 out the back on each side. There and there. All the way back into some 3.5 inch double wall stainless steel tips to complete the look. You guys can see it rolls. Anytime you can try it and get these types of tips on these, it keeps the heat of the tip on the inside, not the outside. And it just keeps these tips shining and looking really clean, as you guys can see. I'll see if there's a link in the description if we can put you one for these tips. But that's what it looks like out the back. He's had this car for 30 years, guys. And now he said, I'm driving it. He was his daily for a few years. And now he wants to restore it all the way. So that's what we're gonna do for him. That's what he's done to it so far. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. With BORLA Pro XS. I like it. It's also got a light cam in it. That sounds good. Here's sound decibels. Again. Right at 110. See, the more they warm up the mufflers, the deeper the sound becomes. I like it. Go ahead and back it up. Original color. He's gonna repaint it the same color. He said over the years it started growing on him. Not a lot of drone in it either. Clean. Oh, it's quiet or not? Yeah, you see, the more it warms up, the quieter it becomes. I like it. Let you guys hear on the inside. They just dropped this motor in it, guys. Nice. It's clean. Not overly done, it's just restoring it little by little. 1966 Chevy Impala BORLA Pro XS. Complete system, 2 1/4. There's the old system that was on it. We cut it all off. Ran them all new. Nice cream color.